Today I have these jute balls that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. One is a 6-inch and one is a 4-inch. The 4-inch was $3.99. The 6-inch is $4.99. And be sure to use your 40% coupon or catch them when they are 40% off. And they have an internal wire, so you can kind of form or reshape them. And I'm pushing this larger one down to create a flat bottom so that it can stand on its own. I took the two hangers that were coming from both of these balls and I tied them together. And now see, he'll stand on his own. Taking some green floral wire, I thread it through the smaller jute ball and then back through the larger jute ball and then tied them nice and tight together. So now you have a nice firm top and bottom. And we're creating a snowman out of these jute balls. Super easy craft. I picked up this hat from Just a Buck. It's just a hat ornament. I have seen them at Dollar General. I've seen them at Hobby Lobby if you don't have Just a Buck in your area. And I removed the bottom fabric and stitched a piece of floral wire through that fabric and then glued it back down. So now you have the wire on either side of the hat. And this wire is going to be used to attach it to the smaller jute ball at the top. I had this knit ribbon that I picked up at Michael's. It is a little bit more pricey, but so you could use anything that you have around the house. You could use a piece of felt, part of an old sweater, any type of material that you have. You can wrap around his neck for a scarf. Because my knit was kind of thick, I had to tie down each end. And I used red floral wire, kind of like a needle and thread, and stitched it through the end of my scarf just to pull it nice and tight together. And then it came down to a point and I was able to attach this pom-pom that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It came in a bag of 100. And I did this on either side of the scarf. Very, very easy. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, you can check us out on YouTube. You can watch all of our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any Wise Owl paint, brushes, tissue paper, or transfers, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.